Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Illustrator actions for repeating. Open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Navigate to the window menu at the top of the screen. Select Actions from the drop-down list. The Actions panel will appear on your workspace. Click on the menu icon in the top right corner of the Actions panel. Choose Load Actions from the options. Locate the folder where your downloaded Adobe Illustrator actions are saved. Select the action file you wish to load and click Open. The actions will now appear in your Actions panel. To use the loaded actions, select the artwork you want to apply the branding style to. Click on the desired action in the Actions panel. Press the play button at the bottom of the Actions panel. The action will execute, applying the branding style to your selected artwork. For easier access, you can create a new set for your preferred actions. Click the menu icon again and select New Set. Name your new set appropriately. Drag and drop your favorite actions into this new set. Now you have your branding styles organized for easy access in the future. To update your actions, periodically check for new files from your source. Keep your branding style fresh by incorporating any new styles as you receive them. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restart. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.